Hi guys, it's Jessica from Fire Escape. I'm just here to show you how to do the baby print tile and capture either a handprint or a footprint. So your first step will be painting your background. Hi! You want to make sure you do 3 coats. So you just wait for it to dry. 3 coats will leave you with good even coverage so it's not streaky. After that, you want to get your paint for the handprint color. You'll want to have this piece of cardstock. We're going to be using like the shiny side of it. And then you need a baby. So for she's gonna tell you. So the first step will be taking the paint and using the sponge and doing an area just about the size of their hand on here. Just a thin layer of paint. It doesn't have to be too thick. It does get a little bit easier when you have 2 people to do this, but it's possible with just 1. Then you'll want to take their hand, and it's good to make it a little fun to put the paint on. That way they don't hate you so much when you do it. Look at that face. Evelyn has had this done before, so she knows exactly what's coming. But if you go, yay! And then you just smush their hand down flat using the paper and peel the paper out and push their hand down a little bit and pull up. And you just want to make sure that you don't take too long with the pushing their hand down, because if they squirm or move, then you're going to ruin your print a little bit. Look at a goldfish for your troubles. Not good enough today. For a footprint, it's pretty easy. You're just going to take their foot, and what you want to do is roll it from the back, the heel, up to their toes, and then take their foot off. And it's done! Your baby might cry, but it's okay. It'll be totally worth it. Can you say